आज मेरे साथ कूपर भी है, ही इज़ जस्ट हियर। तब से सो रहा है, सुबह से सो रहा है बिकॉज़ इट्स जस्ट रेनिंग। सुबह से मौसम बहुत अच्छा हो रखा है, सो ही इज़ जस्ट स्लीपिंग एंड रिलैक्सिंग। हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में आई विल बी शेयरिंग विद यू गाइस ऑल द H&M के ड्यूब्स जो मैंने स्पॉट करा है सवाना पे। बहुत सारे मैंने ऐसी चीज़ों को स्पॉट करा दैट इज़ सो मच हाई प्राइस ऑन H&M, एंड आपको सेम चीज़ें इनफैक्ट डिफरेंट क्वालिटी के, डिफरेंट डिज़ाइंस के, डिफरेंट कलर्स के आपको सेम चीज़ें मिल जाएंगे सवाना पे एट हाफ द प्राइस। So yes, without much blabbering, chalo, let's quickly get started with today's video. मैंने सारे स्क्रीनशॉट कर रखा है, so I'll just go ahead and place the H&M one right here and the Savannah one right here. Let's get started. So the very first item जो मैंने spot करा is this very beautiful. I was scrolling through H&M का app, and that's when I spotted this denim Bermuda shorts right here. That was for 2000 rupees. This is what the denim shorts looks like. मैं यहाँ पिक्चर डाल दूंगी, एंड उसी का ही सेम आइटम मैंने स्पॉट करा और सवाना एट जस्ट 1117 रुपीज़। बट अगर मेरा कूपन कोड को आप लगाओगे तो आपको और एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा। सेल पे ये 25% ऑफ में आपको मिल रहा है, जो कि ओरिजिनल प्राइस है 490 रुपीज़। ऊपर से आप अगर मेरे कूपन कोड को लगाओगे तो आपको और 10 to 15 to 20% ऑफ तक का मिल सकता है। सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू यूज माय कोड इन ऑर्डर गेट एडिशनल ऑफ एंड एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट्स आपको मिल जाएगा। सो हियर इज द H&M वन एंड हियर इज द Bermuda shorts from Savannah। आप प्राइस डिफरेंस देख सकते हो एंड इट जस्ट लुक्स सिमिलर। सो देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ स्पेंडिंग 2000 रुपीज़ जब आपको ये 1000 में मिल गया है। सो डेफिनेटली गो अहेड एंड चेक द Savannah के ones। इनफैक्ट आपको सवाना पे तो डिफरेंट वॉशेस, डिफरेंट डिजाइन्स के, डिफरेंट लेंथ्स के भी आपको मिल जाता है। दिस इज व्हाट द फर्स्ट आइटम लुक्स लाइक। डेफिनेटली गो अहेड एंड चूज द सवाना वन, इट्स वर्थ एवरी सिंगल पेनी। सो द नेक्स्ट आइटम जो मैंने स्पॉट करा एग्जैक्टली इज दिस क्रॉप्ड वेस्ट टॉप। H&M में भी आपको वेस्ट टॉप्स के वैरायटी मिल जाएंगे। आपको 399, 499, 699, देन यू गेट दिस हायर एंड वन दैट इज 1299। मैं एक क्रॉप वेस्ट टॉप के लिए 1300 रुपए क्यों खर्च करूं? सो this is what I had spotted on Savannah for just 590 rupees। एक चीज मैंने देखा कि इस वाले टॉप में आपको सिर्फ ब्लू कलर में मिल रहा है, वहीं आपको Savannah पे ये सेम टॉप मिल रहा है एंड you get a lot more other color options, so you can go ahead and choose the blue one as well as अगर आपको कुछ और चाहिए होगा you can go ahead and do that। Next I spotted this beautiful top that is perfect for summers। So this is what I had spotted from H&M and I just love it। But then I remembered कि ऐसे सेम चीज मैंने सवाना पे तो कहीं स्पॉट करा है। I found it। This is what I saw on Savannah first, ठीक है? And it is just for 790 rupees। So this is the H&M one and this is the Savannah's one। Let's move on to the next item। ये particular H&M is very famous for its bottom wear, especially their linen pants and any sort of their pants especially। So I absolutely love the pants। I have so many of them, but consistently I can just go ahead and keep on buying such expensive items every single month। This is what I spotted on Savannah for just 800 rupees। Same wahi drawstring wide leg tags hai, and this is what you get for just 800 rupees। You can go ahead and buy 2 of this and you're basically paying the same price। So if you do not have the budget, do not worry। Savannah has some beautiful and similar items that you spot on H&M and Zara, and you can get similar items on Savannah at half the price। Let's move on to dresses, and I spotted this very beautiful dress on H&M, but it was for 1,500 rupees। आपको ऐसे सिमिलर चीजें हर जगह मिल जाएगी, and I spotted so many different options on Savannah in terms of polka dot cut dress, and ये रहा। This is the first item। We are getting this for 1290 rupees। आप देखो totally different item, and it has lace and all, अलग सा ही detailing है, अलग design है। Then I have this slip dress, again polka dot, and a long maxi dress that is for just 890 rupees। आप देखो कहाँ H&M में आप 1500 का दे रहे हो, एंड आपको इतने varieties मिल रहे हैं सवाना पे, एंड आधे दाम पे आपको मिल रहा है। So make sure before hitting that checkout and payment का option, सवाना पे आप ढूंढ लो, आधे दाम में आपको सारी चीजें मिल जाएंगी। I spotted this very beautiful tapered waist denim waistcoat from H&M that is for almost 3000 rupees। ठीक है, ये Look at this. It's not even like something that I would want to go ahead and buy, and it retails for 3,000 rupees almost. The color is very off, the stitching is very off, even the shape of the waistcoat is very off, as you can see. So it's not something that I will just want to go ahead and hit that purchase. But if you're looking for a waistcoat that is of denim material, Savana पे मुझे इतने सारे ऑप्शन मिले हैं, but I just shortlisted 3 of them right here. So this is the pin tuck seam denim waistcoat. It is for 1,390 rupees, and look at the finishing, the detailing, and the design right here. Even the shape and everything is so beautiful. Then I got this metallic decor short tops denim waistcoat आप बोल सकते हो, and this is what I spotted. See, आपको इतने सारे ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं, and the last one that I got is this one right here. ठीक है, ये वाला 3 मैंने आपको ऑप्शन दिखाया है डेनिम वेस्टकोट पे, वेरिन आपको H&M में सिर्फ एक ही मिल रहा है, and that too it's not even that good. Now let's come down to all the accessories. I had spotted very similar items Savana पे. मैं exact नहीं बोलूँगी, but similar items मैं बोलना चाहूँगी. So I spotted this H&M में, this pattern scarf for 800 rupees. So this is the first one. Since I spotted this brown and white color cuff from H&M, so I've tried keeping similar ones from Savana as well. So I spotted this one right here again. आप देख पा रहे हो, brown and white color. Retails for just 290 rupees. You guys, कहाँ 800 रुपए, कहाँ 300 rupees. Then again I spotted this one again, keeping the colors very similar, brown and white. Very recently ना ये वाला bag from H&M, it became very popular and it retails for 2,299. This rectangular shoulder bag became very popular because of how beautiful it looks, and आप ढेर सारी चीजें भी कैरी कर पाओगे. Like I said earlier, अगर मुझे कुछ पसंद आता है and I really want it, then I'll just pay the full price without any hesitation. But these are some of the things that I can actually go and wait and check around in different websites and see for an alternative and just get it at the best price. So I spotted this one. आपको in fact back charms भी अलग से मिलता है. So it is this solid bucket shoulder bag. It is for 1,990 rupees, but you don't have to pay the full price. You just get it for like 1,400, 1,200 rupees. So this is what I had spotted, you guys. It's so similar. See, this bag right here from H&M and this bag from Savana. And आपको ऐसा additional bag charms भी दिया जाता है. So this is like cherry on top of the cake. And the last bag that I spotted on H&M that I found so beautiful is this very beautiful crossbody bag that is in a very beautiful, chocolate brown color, but it is priced at, 2,300 rupees. This right here looks so beautiful, you guys. So this is something that I really wanted to go ahead and buy it, but then again I was scrolling on Savana and I found such similar bag on Savana at half the price. The most a good quality and very similar color का bag जो मैंने spot करा, which is very near to this bag, is this right here. This is the solid again crossbody bag, retails for 990 rupees, but sale पे आपको 700, 600 पे आपको आराम से मिल जाएगा. And आपको 5 color options मिलता है: chocolate, dark brown, beige, maroon and black. And this is what I got. It's not exactly round in shape. It has that very buckety feel to it that is just so gorgeous. So this is something that I found very similar to the bag that I really liked on H&M. That cost a whopping price of 2,300 rupees. So I'm not going to pay that much for a bag, but this is something that I can definitely see myself, buying the next time I'm shopping on Savana because it looks so nice. So yeah, that's why I say कि जब भी आप H&M या Zara में कुछ देख रहे हो, and if you don't want to spend that much, just search it on Savana. अगर आपको कुछ bag पसंद आ रहा है, just type it, crossbody bag, white color, type करो, search, and you will definitely see something or the other at half the price. So yeah, that is it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. मैं सारी चीज़ों के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, आप लोग जरूर चेक कर लेना. And do not forget to use my coupon code in order to get additional discounts. And I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.